Hello YouTube, this is a quick unboxing of a digital food meat thermometer. I kind of needed one, so I figured, hey, why not order one? So, comes in a simple box. Open it up. Thermometer. Instructions. Thermometer's in a simple poly bag. Then have the thermometer. Let's see, does it come with a battery? Open. I probably need a screwdriver or something. No, this will probably work. So it has a battery. Does it turn on? Okay, it does turn on. Thought it would have some sort of battery stopper, but it doesn't. Okay, turns on. Let's see, can I switch to Fahrenheit? That hopefully should warm up a bit. Yep. Let's see. So max, min. So that. So that's holding. That's the minimum, that's the maximum. Let's hold do. Let's see. So if I do hold, I have to read about it, but you know, just simple product. Turn on, turn off. Thanks for watching. Amazon affiliate link in the description below.